Some juices may look healthy, but secretly harm your heart, raising blood sugar and pressure. Discover the 5 juices seniors must avoid, and hit subscribe for more vital health truths. Why juice can be a problem. Many seniors believe that drinking fruit juice every day is a healthy habit. Indeed, juice has always been promoted as an essential part of a diet that supports good health. It is said to be rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost the immune system, reduce disease risks, and especially support heart health. However, there is a truth that not everyone knows. Not all juices are harmless. In fact, some juices might be silently harming your heart. Recent studies show that certain juices, when consumed regularly or in large amounts, can raise blood sugar levels, disturb blood pressure, increase the risk of atherosclerosis, and push you closer to dangerous heart complications. If you are 55 years old or older, and if you are worried about your blood pressure, cholesterol, or heart health, then this is exactly what you need to hear. Because today, we are going to talk about 5 juices that seniors should stop drinking immediately to protect their hearts. Orange juice, sweet but dangerous. Oranges have long been a symbol of vitamin C. Many seniors believe that drinking a glass of orange juice in the morning helps them stay healthy. Orange juice tastes fresh, is easy to drink, and easy to find, so it is a popular choice. However, few people know that orange juice contains a very high amount of natural sugar. In fact, 1 glass of fresh orange juice can have up to 25 grams of sugar, which is more than 6 teaspoons. This is extremely dangerous for heart health. When blood sugar rises, the body must produce more insulin to balance it out. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. And diabetes is a major risk factor for heart disease. Orange juice is also quite acidic. It can damage the stomach lining and make symptoms worse for those who have stomach issues or acid reflux. Many seniors drink orange juice after breakfast or even use it to take medication, but this can reduce how well your body absorbs medicine or cause stomach irritation. Moreover, many packaged orange juice products have added sugars, preservatives, and artificial flavors, making the sugar content even higher and more harmful to your heart. So if you love orange juice, try drinking it less often, or replace it with fresh oranges instead. Eating whole fruit gives you fiber, which helps slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Pomegranate juice, a trickster for seniors. Many studies have shown that pomegranates contain powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support heart health. That is true. But here's the problem. When we juice pomegranates, we remove all the valuable fiber found in the seeds and peel, yet the natural sugar stays the same. A glass of fresh pomegranate juice can contain 30 to 40 grams of sugar. Drinking pomegranate juice means pouring a large amount of sugar into your bloodstream very quickly. This forces your body to work harder to balance your blood sugar levels. For seniors, whose metabolism is often slower, that is even riskier. When blood sugar spikes suddenly, it not only harms the pancreas, but also damages blood vessel walls. This can lead to atherosclerosis, which is the leading cause of heart attacks and strokes. Furthermore, many bottled pomegranate juices on the market are advertised as heart-healthy, but they actually contain added refined sugars or high fructose corn syrup. These dramatically increase calories and sugar content. If you want the benefits of pomegranates, eat the seeds whole or dilute the juice with water instead of drinking it straight. Grape juice, a danger for those with high blood pressure. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant praised for protecting heart health and lowering bad cholesterol. But drinking grape juice is a different story. Grape juice is high in sugar and has a high glycemic index, causing blood sugar to spike rapidly. This is especially dangerous for seniors with high blood pressure.
High blood sugar triggers the body to release insulin while retaining sodium in the kidneys. This increases blood volume and leads to higher blood pressure. A single glass of grape juice can contain more than 36 grams of sugar, nearly 9 teaspoons. That is far beyond the recommended daily sugar limit for seniors, as advised by the American Heart Association. Plus, many commercial grape juices are mixed with high fructose corn syrup, which has been closely linked to increased visceral fat, insulin resistance, and atherosclerosis. You might think drinking grape juice is a way to get antioxidants, but remember, you can still get those benefits by eating fresh grapes with their skins instead of drinking the juice.
Pineapple juice, an enemy for those with high cholesterol. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that tastes delicious and is rich in vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. But sadly, pineapple juice is a significant source of sugar. When you juice pineapple, you remove almost all the fiber, but the sugar remains. A glass of fresh pineapple juice can contain up to 30 grams of sugar, which equals about 7 to 8 teaspoons. This is particularly dangerous for seniors with high cholesterol. Excess sugar gets converted by the liver into triglycerides, increasing fat levels in the blood, which is a major risk factor for atherosclerosis and coronary artery disease. Pineapple juice is also quite acidic. It can irritate the stomach lining, especially in seniors taking anti-inflammatory drugs or managing chronic illnesses. So even though pineapple is nutritious, it is better to eat it whole rather than drink the juice. That way you limit your sugar intake and protect your heart health. Carrot juice, a hidden risk for heart health. It might sound surprising because many people think of carrot juice as a symbol of healthy living, but a glass of pure carrot juice contains a lot of natural sugar that seniors should not ignore. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is great for your eyes and skin. However, drinking pure carrot juice means pouring a large amount of sugar into your bloodstream all at once. Carrots also contain sorbitol, a type of sugar alcohol, which can cause bloating and discomfort in seniors with sensitive digestive systems. For those who have pre-diabetes or have been diagnosed with diabetes, drinking carrot juice regularly can cause blood sugar levels to rise too high, increasing the risk of blood vessel damage and leading to serious heart complications. Therefore, if you love carrots, you should eat them boiled or raw instead of juicing them. And if you still want to drink juice, dilute it with water to lower the sugar concentration. General harms of juice for seniors' heart health. The biggest danger of fruit juice does not just lie in its high natural sugar content, but also in how quickly sugar is absorbed into the bloodstream. When we drink juice, the body does not need to digest fiber as it does when eating whole fruits. This causes blood sugar levels to spike quickly, putting pressure on the pancreas to produce more insulin. If this continues over time, the body will fall into insulin resistance, which increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, one of the leading causes of heart disease. High sugar levels also increase triglycerides in the blood, leading to atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, and the risk of stroke. For seniors, these changes happen more quickly and dangerously because their metabolism has slowed down. In addition, many bottled juices contain preservatives, colorings, and artificial flavors. These substances can increase inflammation in the body, damage blood vessel walls, and contribute to plaque formation in the arteries. Therefore, if you want to protect your heart, the safest way is to eat fresh fruit instead of drinking juice. If you must drink juice, dilute it with water and limit the amount to a small serving rather than drinking a full glass. Solutions for seniors who love juice but want to protect their hearts. I understand that it is very hard to give up the habit of drinking juice because it is both convenient and delicious, but your heart health deserves to be your priority. If you want to keep enjoying juice without harming your heart, follow some simple rules. Always dilute juice with at least twice as much water to lower the sugar concentration. Limit your daily juice intake to no more than 120 milliliters per day, which is less than half a glass. If possible, make your own juice at home to avoid added sugars and unnecessary chemicals. And the best option is to eat whole fruits instead of drinking juice, because the fiber in fruit helps slow down sugar absorption into the bloodstream and keeps you feeling full longer, protecting both your weight and your heart. Your heart health is worth more than any juice. My dear friends, many seniors still believe that simply drinking juice means they are taking good care of their health. But the truth is not always so simple. Juice may be tasty and convenient, but it could be silently attacking your heart, especially when it contains a lot of sugar and lacks precious fiber. If you truly care about your heart health, start making changes today. Do not let juices that seem healthy become silent enemies of your heart. Your heart is an incredibly precious organ, and no juice can replace it. Protect it by making smart choices in your diet. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to talk to your doctor or a nutritionist to find the best options for your health. I wish you good health, and may your heart always beat strong and steady.